Hello guys, this is Mike.
Hi, this is Ashley.
Once again, we just unpacked this new item here, which is
A Deepcool CF120 Plus.
mhm,
And it's LED fan.
okay.
Di ba na ako energy? Naantok na ako. I'm sleepy. Again, this is another series of Deep Cool because, Mike is a fan of Deep Cool.
Deep cool, baka naman. Okay, so this is just a quick
Overview?
since we can't do the actual demo, but we might put on the description regarding the sample video or a sample picture of this operating. Alright, so we'll just tackle over with the parts. And this item we bought is a one set, three LED fans. So one, and then this plastic contains two more fans. Okay, and then let's just try to check the connectors here. So let me have a closer look. Okay, so let me do a focus here. So as you can see, it's a 4-pin PWM connector. Let me focus again, or let me make it closer. There we go. All right, so other than this, here is the connector for the RGB, A-RGB. As you can see, it's a 3-pin. Alright, so what else do we have on the box? So this is the second time I bought
In the
this.
Iyon.
This one here is for the PWM, in case that you need a
Person with monitor. No, PWM. I don't know.
a splitter. So it has 4 slots for your for the fans. So
4
1,
pins.
2, 3, 4.
And those are 4 pins.
4-pin PWM. Yeah,
So what's PWM?
I forgot. But it says here, compared with the 3-pin connection for fans, this one is more stable. It can, I think, control the fan speed better if you're using 4-pin, if I'm not mistaken.
I'm
But
not sure if this is it. Is it the pulse with modulation or it's a different one?
I
No
haven't.
idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's a pulse with modulation. So it says in here it's more power efficient given the additional what's this?
Pin?
It has an extra wire for PWM. So, 4 pins fans where the fourth wire sends PWM signal to the fan motor. So, sabi nga nila more efficient siya. So, I think that's the reason why it's 4-pin.
And you see here, there's a double-sided tape. Okay, so here's the one accessory, and then let's check the others. So this one is, I believe, well, I didn't use this because as you can see here, it supports our Asus AuroSync, Razer Chroma RGB, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2, MSI RGB, Mystic Light Sync, and lastly ASRock Polychrome Sync. So I bought an Aorus motherboard that supports Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2, so I didn't manage to use this one. I directly connected the A-RGB on the motherboard. Okay, so but just a quick overview for this controller, I think, if I'm not mistaken, but hopefully I'm not mistaken. uh, this one, you connect this to your
What?
SATA
Cable? SATA TV.
power. No, SATA power. Yeah. So you connect this to the SATA power, and then you connect this. I believe you connect this to. No, not here yet. Not here. Is it here? I forgot. I'll double check on the manual.
SATA
But this
power
one
is
is
a 15 pin
Yep.
power supply connector. Bilangin nga natin eh. Joke lang. Yes, basta yun.
It obviously says here it's SATA.
Oh, nakalagay eh. It has an indicator. Ayun. So, okay na ba? Yan. It's not blurry anymore. So, it's a SATA. Pinong pagkain. SATA cable. Nartehan masyado. Yan. SATA cable. And then,
Okay.
ano pa nga ba?
Next, we'll check this big one here.
Ah, diba blurry siya? Yan. Lapit mo kasing konti.
Wait lang. Okay, let me pull it up.
This is what?
It says here, add AR. Add
So kung ano
RGB.
siya, kung mag-add ka ng iba pa, so meron pa siyang additional connector. Tama ba? Tama ba intindi ko dun?
So this one is for your splitter for the RGB. So again, you need this for the splitter for your PWMs, for the fans to spit. This one is for the splitter for your LED lights of the fans. Okay? There we go.
Wala na akong naintindihan kasi naantok na ako.
Because each fan has two connectors. One for the LED lights, and one for the
Power
actual speed of the fan, or for the fan to rotate. Okay, so again, yeah, I think, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is the controller. If I'm not mistaken, if you don't have,
It's me.
if you have like a very old motherboard that does not support these softwares I mentioned earlier, you can use this controller so that I think this is the button. Yeah,
Push the button and let
this is the button so that you can change how it lights up regarding the fan.
Ayun. So ito siya oh.
And this is how it lights up. So yes, as you can see, it has
RGB.
a ring light, and then also the propeller, is that right?
Yeah.
It also lights up.
Oh, diba? Shalan. And you can set the colors. Tama ba? As far as I recall, you can set the colors.
If you're using this, if you have these supported softwares, but if you don't, you just
Is there a word like softwares or software
application, yeah. So other than that, or if you don't have that, again, you can use this controller. Just by pressing this one, it will change whatever color, I think, and also how it blinks or lights up. Next, there's some additional wires. Yeah, these wires are it depends if you're using RGB or A-RGB. So as you can see, there is a 3-pin connector. So for your motherboard, yep, it's the 3-pin connector for the A-RGB. See? And then lastly, what we have here, of course, the screws to mount your fans. The 3 sets of 4 screws. So 3 times 4 is equals to 12 screws.
Hindi ko yun. Hindi kaya.
Sige, bilangin mo isa-isa. Okay.
Ayun, ayun na siya. So, meron pa ba siyang iba? Ilan siyang fan? It's three fans. Tama ba?
In one set. You can also buy one if
Just one.
but of course I bought 3 because I wanted
Ganyan siya. Gusto niya madami.
symmetrical. Okay, so if you are interested with the product, you can check the description, and we will put our latest reviews on the description.
So any questions that you may have, just do not hesitate to let us know. We'll try to answer it to satisfy you again for your satisfaction. Kasi of course, hindi naman namin alam lahat. Pero if you have some questions, just let us know. Kasi we're still learning, and both of us can learn a lot from each other. So
And
yun lang.
we'll try to look for answers.
Yan, para alam din namin kung ano yun. So, yun lang. Yun ang magagawa namin kasi di mo kami expert talaga. So, yun na siya. That's how you see, that's how, what it would look like, or kung ano yung laman ng kahon ng CF120 plus na LED fan.
Okay.
Okay, so again, this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
Have a great night. Gabi na eh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.